Have you ever heard about adding baking soda to your coffee? Both ingredients are always mentioned here on our channel. If you've followed our channel for a while, you know that we talk a lot about coffee here, especially because we love it. You can drink coffee in the morning, after lunch, or in the afternoon. The fact is that today, even brewing coffee has become a sort of art. There are many different ways of brewing your coffee to accentuate its aroma and taste. Did you know that? If you didn't know, watch the suggested video to learn about the different coffee brewing methods around the world. Also, in a recent video, we explained why you should add salt to your coffee. Have you watched it yet? This is one of the new techniques to improve your everyday coffee. Have you tried it yet? If you did, share your experience with us. The isolated effects of caffeine and baking soda were already investigated in many studies that aim to show their ergogenic effects. In a recent study done by researchers from Copenhagen University, volunteers ingested 400 milligrams of caffeine and 30 grams, 1.05 ounces, of baking soda, while other subjects received a placebo. It was possible to detect that when baking soda was added to coffee, there was a 23% improvement in the performance of the volunteers. Isn't it amazing? This improvement was noticed in a 60-minute period after the ingestion when the subjects were submitted to a scientifically validated physical test. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Could baking soda be a good substitute for coconut oil? As we know, coconut oil and coffee can be used as a pre-workout breakfast or snack. The combo contributes to satiety, has thermogenic action, and improves workout performance. If you like adding coconut oil to your coffee, it could be a good idea to try this new combination and see how you feel. However, although both coffee combinations have their benefits, they should be ingested with moderation and with the orientation of a health professional. So, did you know the powers of this incredible combination of coffee and baking soda? If you try it, share the results with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.